Hello and welcome back to my final morning report charts appraisal on Friday the 9th of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Obviously looking at gold, and the gold price has slid slightly in the last couple of days. That stronger dollar that we saw yesterday afternoon in the wake of the EIA oil inventories report sort of pulled gold lower. I don't necessarily think that it's going to be sort of detrimental to what I still see as a positive outlook within the gold trading range, which we're still seeing. Trading above 1330, I think you're still positive on this chart, within this range, I should say. And it is a range. You've still got this downtrend that is in place, but still I think it's sort of going to be pulling higher in due course back towards the test of those highs. It's just unwound slightly, and you can argue that the momentum indicators just rolled over a little bit, and that's sort of inhibiting the bulls slightly. That sort of hourly chart shows the broken uptrend and sort of the drift lower that we've seen in the last couple of days. I don't necessarily think it's going to sort of be a big impact. I mean, you've got that big pivot at 1330, as I said. I think that finding support around that level would be interesting because you've already had this move unwinding. You're now sort of back at levels at which you'd think the RSI would start to, or the bulls would start to sort of be thinking about their next sort of buying opportunity. So the fact that we haven't had a sort of a real continuation of the selling pressure today in gold, I think is sort of fairly supportive for the price above 1330. And I think that little corrections are still going to be seen as a chance to buy, because I think, generally speaking, I think gold is going to be pulling higher towards a test of that 1357 level. But obviously at the moment, near term, it's slightly weaker, slightly pulling lower. In terms of your support resistance levels, you'd say 1330 as that pivot line, 1325 as a subsequent level of support. The reaction low that we saw yesterday, just prior to the EIA oil inventories report, I think 1342 is a old support becomes new resistance, and then above that the high at 1352 area. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again next week. Thank you.